How to add Instagram link to Twitter. For this, you need your Instagram link. So let's head over to the Instagram app. Over here, tap on the profile icon, which will bring you to your profile. Now, over here, you simply want to tap on Edit Profile button. Once you're in here, you are going to find your username. So you simply have to copy your username. Here in this way, copy your username. Now you want to open up your browser. Now on your browser, you want to search for Instagram.com. Once you're in here, you simply want to tap on the Instagram.com, and over here you want to tap on the pencil icon. Once you do that, over here after the slash, you're going to paste your username and now tap on Go. Once you do that, it is going to open up your profile, which means that this is your profile link. So you simply have to tap on the copy icon and copy that link. Now you want to head over to your Twitter application. Now tap on the profile icon and then tap on profile. Once you're in here, you want to tap on Edit Profile button. Now over here where it says website, you simply want to paste the website that you have copied. And just like that, you have simply added your Instagram link to Twitter. Tap on save. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.